had an amazing idea. So if you know me, you know I like setting world records. First it started with the most comments, the most likes, and the most comments and likes on a YouTube short. And you know, it got me thinking, what if we were able to get the most views on a YouTube short? I know what you're thinking. Jellybean, how are we supposed to get the most views on a YouTube short? I'll tell you exactly how. All you have to do is send this video to your friends and rewatch it over and over again. And let's see how many views we can get this video to. 1 million? Maybe even 10 million? Let's see. I know the Jellybean profile picture gang is so strong. I hope you die in a fire. I don't regret this.